Hello guys, you're all welcome to today's tutorial. We're going to be making a structured flounce, which we'll be using as a design detail for a dress I'm making. Now these are the materials that I'll be needing. This is my hemming tape, fusible hemming tape. I'll be using it to gum the fabrics. And this is the crinoline mesh. It's very hard, and this is what is going to give it the structure that I need. And this is my fabric. This is the fabric I'll be using. It's a shining liquid Mikado silk. That's what they call it. Now what I'll be needing, I'll draft my pattern first, after which I'll transfer to the fabric. So I need a circumference. The circumference I'm working with is 20. The circumference I'm working with is 18, and the highest point of my flounce is 6 inches. I'm working with a circumference of 18 inches. That's how long I want my flounce to be. And I'm using the highest point of 6 inches. So the first thing I would do is to fold my paper into four, and then mark 1 inch radius just to get a very small, starting point. And I'll trace it out so it appears on the other part of the paper. Okay, so that's my second. So from this point, I'll just start marking out. Remember the highest point of my um lines is 6 inches. So I'll just start gradually. Let me say I start with 1 inch, then keep going, keep increasing the height of the lines. About my 2 inches. I'll just keep increasing it gradually until I get to 6. This is 3 inches, 3.5, 4. I'll just keep increasing it until I get to 6. And don't just go out all of a sudden. Do not appear red. So let me just connect this first point to this part here. Just try to blend it. If any part that is sharp, blend it. Blend it with your hand with the marker. Make sure the points are connecting properly. Okay? So I'll just keep going. Try on top, button to stitch. Okay. The work is kind of reducing now. This is like towards the end of my blouse. And it's not going to just be 6 inches. So I'll keep reducing it again. So there's really no formula to this thing. Okay, so now I'm using my third hand. Let me just stop here. or cups out my the circumference of my flounce is 18 inches. So okay, plus plus I think 1 inch. That's fine. Then this is really cutting out right now. Okay, so this is a brown. I see how lovely it is. Okay. So the next thing I'll do is to mark the length. That's the circumference where it's covering. And I'll start from this point. I'll start from here and go like this all the way around until I get my 18 inches. Feel like 18 inches. So okay. So this is 18 inches. This is 18 inches here. Just mark it. Okay. So next thing I'm going to do is to blend. Just keep emptying it. And blend any sharp spots. Okay. So this is the flounce that I made for my design. This is it. So I'm going to be cutting this on my fabric now, right now. Okay, let me cut on this finally mesh. Okay, let's pin it down. Okay, so this is it. So let's say it's not cutting the inner shot. Just follow the. So I'm done with cutting the finally mesh. Then I'll bring my fabric. I'm going to be cutting two for my fabric. Then I'll be cutting my hemming tape. I need one, just one layer for this one layer. What I'll do is to gum, gum. Going to my ironing, just arrange it. And then I'll bring this one, this my curling mesh. So this is me ironing the
crinoline mesh, hemming tape, and the fabric to bring them all together as one to give it that structured look. Ensure that you are using a steaming iron for the best effect.
Guys,
Can you see how it's
I have used the
standing?
other fabric to turn this one. This is the inside. What the inside looks like. This is the one that has the crinoline mesh and hemming tape, and this is the other one I used to turn it. So I have gone to press it down. I've ironed it, and this is what it looks like. So let's take it to the dress form. This is the final result of our structured cape sleeve. Came out so well. I didn't add pleats to my own like the one in the picture, but you can add to yours when you're making yours. And then I intend to use my lace patches to embellish this part and the top of the flounce. So this is it. Came out so well. I love the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.